guys, welcome to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan, and I'm going to do a quick little flip cup tonight. My husband did a pour this evening, and there was some paint left over, so I'm just going to use his leftover paint and do a little flip cup. I have a little kind of bowl-shaped cup, so it's a little smaller on the bottom than on the top, so whatever I put here is kind of just going to be in the middle. I don't know, just thought it might be interesting. So I have white, silver, black, and red. Everything's mixed with Floetrol and Basics matte fluid medium, and it all has some treadmill belt silicone in it. The red has quite a bit because when my husband was pouring it in, he was going to put a couple drops in there, and he didn't know it was going to come out quite as fast as it did, and it really squirted in the red. So the red has a lot of silicone. The white, the silver, and the black have a couple drops each. He did a little bottom pour. So he had silicone in every color for that. So let's start with white. Might be kind of interesting just having white in the middle there. I don't know. Or maybe it won't be. I don't know. We'll do silver. Do the red between the silver and the black. Actually, let's do silver on that side. Black on this side. Maybe we'll layer it up a little bit. I do not have much black at all. He used most of the black that he mixed. This hasn't been sitting. It's been sitting for about, I don't know, an hour, maybe two, and it looks, putting it in the cup, it actually looks kind of thick. So we'll see. Let's do a little more silver. Yeah, this looks kind of thick. But that's okay. Use most of that. I think I have a little bit more black, maybe. Okay. Let's leave it at that. I might, well, let's do a little bit more red. Because I have it. Might as well use it. There you go. And I might do some white around the edges. Okay, let's just do a flip cup. Do some white around the edges here. I forgot to put anything under my canvas. I did not prop it up. I don't know what I was thinking. Apparently I wasn't thinking. Okay, let's use, where's my little stick here? Because I'm just kind of using up the last bits of everything, so kind of a marbly edge here. That's kind of neat. Well, we know it sells. My husband kind of a Resident Evil theme. I'm going to use his. He did a little different bottle bottom pour technique, and I think I'm going to try it here coming up pretty soon because it actually worked pretty well. Alright, nothing else that'll help the paint flow. Alright, ready? Bloop. Ah! I guess I did not have much paint in there. Oh my god. That is cool though. So, okay. Let's tilt. A whole lot of extra paint on here. Oh, and my torch is out in the kitchen. My husband painted in the kitchen, and my torch is out there. Guess we won't be torching today. Let's see if I have enough black to put a little bit on this edge. Kind of like to go with this black that I have going going here. Actually, I kind of like that. It's really dark on this side. Kind of light as you go to the top. Help it along here. There you go. And then I'll try and get a little bit of white. Oops, let me move this. A little bit of white right here, and then I'll tilt. I know there's white in there. This does not want to come out. Come out okay with this white paint. Well, it's really being stubborn. Come on. It's not even that thick. Tilt a little bit more this way, tilt that white down. Okay, I'll just, actually, most of my edges ended up covered right in here, so that's actually not too bad. I didn't think it was going to be enough paint. I probably could have used a little bit more, but it covered. That's the important thing. I'll just have to do this edge, and that's it. It was kind of fun using just a little bit of leftover paint. Kind of like the effect of the dark and then kind of into the light. Do some close-ups. Really like that, doing the silver on one side of the cup and black on the other kind of gave me the dark to light effect we have there. It's pretty neat. And some pretty good cells, considering I did not have my torch. So, here we go. Don't forget to comment and hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. And you can always hit subscribe to see when I post my videos. Until next time, guys, happy pouring!